Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Alia Muhammad Amin, and for this video, I am going to walk you through trend strategy in technical analysis, and I will be using Affin Bank as an example. So, before we go deeper into the trend strategy, let me just share with you about the Affin Bank Berhad background. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We are going to look at the trend strategy. So for those who don't know what is a trend strategy is one of the strategies that is commonly used by traders or investors for their tradings or investments. Trend strategy is a popular strategy as it enables traders to identify and take advantage of market momentum. It is based on the idea that markets have an element of predictability. So by analyzing historical trends and also price movements, a trader will be able to forecast what could happen in the future. So trend strategy is usually considered a mid to long-term trading strategy, but it can in theory cover any time frame depending on how long the trend lasts. It is usually adopted by traders who prefer a position trading or swing trading style. So position traders are those who will hold a trade for the entirety of the prevailing trend, ignoring day-to-day fluctuation, while swing traders are those who will identify a trend and ride it from start to finish. Trend strategies are designed to help you identify trends as early as possible and exit the market before they reverse. So both the opening price and closing price plus the trading range of every individual candle provide traders with a wealth of information that can be used to identify the ebb and flow of the trend. So, broadly speaking, there are three different types of primary trends, which are uptrends, downtrends, and sideways trends. Okay, so you now may wonder how to identify a trend. When a market price is increasing in value, it is called an uptrend. A trader seeking to take advantage of these movements would enter a long position when the market is reaching increasingly high price levels. While a market price is decreasing in value, it is said to be in a downtrend. A trend trader would enter a short position when the asset is falling to lower price points. When a market price is neither reaching higher price points or lower ones, it is said to be in a sideways trend. Most trend traders will not take note of these trends, but range traders or scalpers who seek to take advantage of extremely short-term market movements will look out for these bounded movements. On the next slide, I will be showing you guys how I draw a trend line in a chart for Affin Bank Berhad. Okay, so for this one, I am just going to quickly show you guys on how I draw a trend line on a chart. So this is a website, it's called TradingView, where I search on the company that I want and I am able to see the chart. So for this particular video, I chose Affin Bank Berhad company for the example. So yeah, so the first thing first, I am just going to look at the 5-month period. So starting from 1st of January 2021 to 31st of May 2021. So I'm just going to take this 5-month period and I'm just going to draw a line, a trend line within this 5-month period to see whether it is a uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. So what you're going to do is that I'm going to choose on the left side. If you go to the trading view on the left side, you will be able to see plenty of tools that you can use. And for today, I'm just going to use the trend line tools. So I'm just going to press this one and choose the trend line. Okay, so now I have that, and then what I'm going to do is just I'm going to draw a line. So by drawing this line, I'm just going to make sure that the 2 points at least, okay, touching the line that I want to draw. So okay, this is what I'm going to do. All right, so now I'm just going to wait, hold that. Okay, yeah, so I'm just going to move a little bit of this one, and yeah, so make sure the minimum at least 2 points is touching the trend line that you are drawing. So this is basically the nearest to the 1st of January 2021, and this is the nearest to 31st of May 2021. So now if you see this line, you can see that it is an uptrend. So it's going upwards, so it is an uptrend. So I'm just gonna add a text here. And just gonna type a uptrend. Okay, and I'm just gonna press OK and just put it right here. All right, to easy to see. So what we can see here is that from this point, okay, this point right here, it is RM1 point. Okay, you're just gonna look at the right side. That is the price. So the price during this 12th January of 2021 is 1.600. That means RM 1.600, and within 5 months, it had increased to RM 1.660. So it is definitely an uptrend. Okay, so that is basically how you guys are able to identify whether it is an uptrend, it is a downtrend. So if it's a downtrend, the line will be downwards. All right, the line will be downwards, whereas for sideways, the line will be straight. So for this one, it is an uptrend. So that is how you can easily identify whether the company is an uptrend or downtrend or sideways. So for this, in conclusion, for this, Affin Bank Berhad is a uptrend within these 5 months. So that is it. In conclusion, without proper preparation and also risk management, even the best trading strategy won't make you money in the long run. It is very important to have a plan for which markets you will trade and also how you will manage your risk. So the best way to learn about trend trading is that using trend indicators and also to try them out for yourself and see which strategy works best for you. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.